Hello fellow drivers, I'm going to show you how to playback your video to view your front facing camera as well as your optional fourth camera, or if you'd like to playback your video from your two outside cameras. First thing you want to do is make sure that you are not recording. Hit the OK button. Once you've hit the OK button, you want to hit the mode button. That's going to put you in camera view. Now you are in playback mode. So if it shows VGA, that's going to be the optional fourth camera. If you did happen to purchase the fourth optional camera system, the playback video will be listed VGA. Press the up arrow. Your front facing playback recordings will be in 1080 full high definition. And you can just scroll through those. Hit the OK button to play. Hit the OK button to stop. Once you've viewed your playback video, hit the mode button again to get you back on your main screen. Now you'd like to see the recordings on your outside camera. Hit the OK button, the power button. You'll see that your two outside cameras are still recording. Hit the OK button for it to stop recording. Once it stopped recording, same scenario, hit the M mode button, and now you're in playback. Scroll through them. You'll be able to see your outside, each individual recording from each individual outside camera. Hit the M button, go back to your recording. But you'll be able to see there's the recording. Hit the OK button. Now you're back in recording mode. Soft press the power button. Now you're on your front facing camera and optional fourth. Hit the OK button, and now you're back to recording mode. Thank you so much for watching.